Hello guys, so let's see how to go about this design. And this is not actually Photoshop though. I lost my laptop, so I borrowed a laptop, a friend's laptop, and he doesn't have Photoshop, but I wanted to create something, so I heard of photopea. Okay, so you see that this is called photopea. And then so when you come to the website and search for photopea, then you click on the first link. It's going to open this for you. Then you create a new document, so you can select your print size. So you can select A3 here. Then you double click to open a new document for you. So I created everything using the photopea. Okay, so first of all, I brought in a background. So let's see if we can get a background. So I came to Pinterest, so search for Pinterest. Then let's open Pinterest. Okay, so when it's opening Pinterest, then we are going to search for Valentine's Day. Valentine's. Okay, then I downloaded one of these. So let's go down. Let's see if I can get the exact thing that I downloaded. Background. Let's see background. So background. Alright, so this is what I got. Then let's download it. Okay, so or we can copy it. So I think if you want to download it, you can come here. Let me download it. Okay, so I have the background over here. So let's open this one, leave it here. So you see that it just loaded. So I'm going to make it fill the whole canvas just like that. Make it a little bit bigger. Okay, so this is not my laptop, otherwise I could have recorded the screen for you guys, but I don't think I can do that. So this is it. Then with the help of the selection tool with this one, I'm going to make a selection here. Then with this layer selected, let's do cut. So cut. So first of all, let me rasterize it. So right click and you rasterize layer, then Control X to cut, then Control plus Shift plus V to paste in place. Okay, so this is not part of the background anymore, so this is on its own layer. Okay, so let me check the first one that I did. So this is the first one that I did, and actually I don't know the reason why I cut the background. Okay, I wanted to blend in with another background, that's why. Okay, then from here with the help of the text tool, so you have the text tool here. So when you pick, you just come and type whatever that you want to type. So let me see if it works. I think it works or not. Okay, it works. Let's try to make it bigger. Okay, let me change the color. So if you want the text to come to window, look for characters, it will open for you. Let's change this one to red. Click on OK. So you see the text is here. So just like that, you could have add all the other text. Okay, so you just bring in the bigger text, and also you just write in this text. So let's see the font that I use for these ones as well. So I think, where is the name for this? So this one, the font that I use is called Festival. So I think the same thing applies to this one. The day too, I use this font. Okay, and also I use the same thing for this one. Then alright guys, so if we add the text, this is how it's going to look like. Then the last thing that we are going to do is that we are going to add this shape and the images. Okay, so let me move this one a little bit up. Then let's pick the ellipse tool, draw a circle. Alright, so let me take you through. So with the shape selected, go to edit, then you are going to see transform. Click on this transform, then you choose the warp, Then we are going to warp this section, so just click and move this one inside just like this. Then we can push this one a little bit. So that is what I did to get that effect. So let's pick this, let's move this one here so we can make a copy, paste, then undo, Control C, copy, paste. Do we have? I think no. So Control J. Okay, let's do Control J. Move this one around. Then let's move this layer up just like that. Let me change the color. So we are going to see difference. Then Control J, make a copy. Move the other one here as well, so we can just move these guys around. Then let's make another copy, Control J, and let's make the new one a little bit bigger. So this one, just increase it small, and then let's move that one downstairs and change the color for this. So double click, then let me change the color, and the down one, let's make it white, so we are going to get strokes on it. Okay, I think you can also add strokes in other way around. Let me see if I have this one selected, then I pick the shapes too. I can just increase the strokes. Yeah, so that one too is there. Okay, so when you are done with your shape, you select the one that you want to add your image into it. So I'll select this one. Let's come here and choose, go for couple. You click on enter, then let's go to images and let's look for this. You see how they are happy. Let me just copy the image, then come here, then let's paste this one here. Let's make it a little bit bigger. I'll bring this one here, then let's right click, create a clipping mask and make it a little bit bigger just like that. So the same thing is going to apply for here. So I think that is that. So you are going to do the same process. Select this image, then look for another happy couple. I think these people, copy photopea, paste the image, bring it here, then you do the clipping mask. By the way, if you want to get this PSD file, go to our digital store. Okay, you search for all template paste tag. Okay, so let me show you real quick. So when you come here, you search for all template, just type this prompt, all templates paste tag, then you click on the first link. It's going to open our digital store for you. Okay, so I'm going to upload this one. I can see I have the PSD file. Let me try to look for it. Okay, so this is the PSD file. Let me try to open it and see. It is trying to open, but I don't have access to this Photoshop because it's not open, it's locked. Okay, so it's not going to open for me. I think it's going to close. So it's open, it did open, but it says login. Yeah, so it's not going to work. Is it going to work? No, it's not going to work. So when you close it, it closes the app as well. All right,